In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve Arabic fonts typing problem in Illustrator. So once you type or once you copy paste any text in Illustrator, so you're getting this type of error. So to resolve this problem, click on Edit and here hover cursor to preferences. Now click on Type and here this setting will be unselected, so select it, show indic options. Underneath language options, check this box then click on OK. Now select it, characters, right click on it and now here click on paragraph, select it, then paragraph, then click on these three lines and here select Middle Eastern and South Asian single line composer. So this way you can fix that problem. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.